Okay, this is in response to and kind of, a question really, as to, going through Ison's path as it exits, or the debris coming down to Earth from the exiting Ison debris field. So, my question is, I'm not saying this is how it's going to happen. I'm really speculating, really. Okay, this is kind of how I picture our solar system going through space. The spiraling effect, because the sun is not, stationary. So we're constantly moving as a solar system unit through space. Now you can see, Earth would orbit the sun as the dashed path, but our actual path through the universe would be more of a spiraling around the sun. Now, if that's true, then a comet coming into our solar system would not just be an elliptical path, like they say. In real motion, it would have been coming up from behind, or below rather, in this picture, and then once it hits perihelion and it's shot out, as the whole solar system is moving in line, the path looks like this dotted line here, stationary, but the actual path of the comet would be much further away from our solar system. Now this is just a visual, it's not, how things are in motion, it's a drawing. So, if Ison is actually, shooting away in front of, should we say, in front of our path as a solar system, then, this is the dotted path that it would look if it was stationary. I think I've gotten that right. So my question, as you can see here, is if everything is in motion, why would we not go through the exiting path of Ison? Perhaps not Earth directly, but the solar system at least. As we move through the galaxy, Ison effectively coming from out of our, outside of our solar system and behind as it's coming up, and then leaving in front of our solar system. So as it leaves the solar system, continually moves, in a forward, according to this, visual, forward, and then as the, Ison's debris path, our solar system would cross over it, because the path is actually in front of us. Now, I'm not saying that Earth will directly go through the path as the solar system moves through it. I'm not saying that. But the solar system in itself would effectively go through the path of Ison as it exited, because it's shooting out way faster than our solar system is moving. But as the path stays there, even if it's like, really, really slow, but then as we move slowly through it, does this path continue to move in front of us and it will always be in front of us? Or, it being an object not of our solar system, would it just kind of go zing, and then as, we're passing through it, slowly but surely we would pass through this path. Now, it may not be where Earth is, but even if Earth was moved around, and then, the path is here, and then we cross through it, and it's where our, Earth used to be, the theory still stands, I think. So, leave a question, comments. I want to know your thoughts. This is my thought. So, just curious. Does it make any sense? Let me know.